In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely edit Confluence page source and publish your changes. We'll walk through a clear, methodical process so you can make precise updates without breaking formatting or content. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to edit. Make sure you've selected the correct page in the correct space and that you have edit permissions. If you're working on a critical document, it's a good idea to skim the existing content to understand its structure before you begin. Next, click Edit. This opens the standard editor where you can adjust text, images, and macros in a familiar visual view. Even if your end goal is to work with the underlying code-like markup, it helps to orient yourself in the normal editor first, so you know exactly which sections you're about to change. If your site has a source editor or storage format editor installed, switch to it now. This specialized view exposes the page's storage format, the structured markup Confluence uses behind the scenes. Not every site has this option, and that's okay. Only use it if it's available, and you specifically need to adjust markup that the visual editor can't handle. Open the page source or storage format. You'll typically find this through the editor's More Actions menu. Once you're in, take a moment to scan the markup. Identify headings, lists, macros, and links so you can target the exact portion you need. Avoid rushing. Understanding the structure first prevents mistakes later. Now, make the needed changes carefully. Edit in small, deliberate increments, and avoid altering tags or macro parameters you don't fully recognize. Keep a temporary copy of the original section in case you need to restore it. Pay special attention to opening and closing tags, macro syntax, and special characters. If you're modifying links or images, confirm the paths are correct and consistent. Before committing anything, preview the page to check if the formatting still works. The preview is your safety net. Look closely at headings, spacing, lists, tables, and any macros or dynamic content. Click through links, verify images, and watch for warning messages that can hint at broken markup. Once everything looks right, save or publish the page. Add a concise change summary so teammates understand what you updated and choose whether to notify watchers. After publishing, give the page one final glance in its live state. If something isn't as expected, use the editor or version history to adjust or revert quickly. That's it. By proceeding thoughtfully, edit, source when needed, preview, and then publish, you'll keep your Confluence pages accurate, stable, and easy for everyone to use.